Pros and cons of vitrified tile flooring for your house. Dear friends, vitrified tiles are a type of tile known for their durability and low water absorption, achieved through a manufacturing process that fuses minerals into a glass-like substance. This process, called vitrification, involves heating a mixture of clay, silica, quartz, and feldspar at high temperatures. The resulting tiles are strong, stain-resistant, and have a long-lasting shine, making them a popular choice for both indoor and outdoor applications. There is a large variety of designs, colors, prints, and textures of vitrified tiles available in the market. These tiles are available in several finishes as well, including glossy, matte, and anti-skid finishes. Pros of vitrified tiling. It is one of the most affordable types of flooring. It is suitable for both interior and exterior use. Vitrified tiles are created using the process of vitrification. So, all the tiles are scratch and stain resistant on top of being extremely durable. It is easy to lay and maintain. Suitable for high traffic areas. Cons of vitrified tiling. Unless it's an anti-skid vitrified tile, the floor can be a bit slippery. It is not an eco-friendly option since the manufacturing of these tiles creates a huge expenditure of energy and carbon dioxide. The installation process can be a bit expensive as it requires the assistance of a professional. In case a tile is damaged, it has to be removed by cutting the grout lines on the sides. However, the problem is that while doing so, there is a high probability that the nearby tiles can be damaged. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.